Hey guys, here's another business video for you guys with YouTube channels, running your own small businesses. Hopefully this will help you to maximize the effectiveness of your YouTube channel. So if you see here on my channel dashboard, click over to analytics. This is a place you're used to going. You can see your overview of how much your channel got seen, your reach, your engagement, all this good stuff, right? But this is new. The research page. So let's say you have a wellness YouTube, which, we're already in a niche. And then if you go smaller to crystals or essential oils, I'm way niche down. You may have a channel that has lots of, lots of things that people want to see. And so it can be tricky to know what is a good term to be using, what is a good topic to be doing, what's a good title to be making. So this new research bar is going to help you a lot with that. Let's take a wellness term first. So crystal healing is a thing I talk about, right? All right. So now we have crystal bowl sound healing. That's a totally different thing from what I do, but search volume on YouTube is high for that. If I owned crystal bowls and wanted to do some meditations with that, that'd be great. I would get on that, but I don't own crystal bowls. So crystal healing, medium. Crystal healing, ASMR, right? Okay, so am I willing to do an ASMR video to try and get that audience? Maybe someday. Crystal healing music. Crystal healing course. I have a crystal healing course, but as you see here, that search volume is low. So why don't we get more specific? Let's just pick a crystal. Rose quartz. Rose quartz search volume is high. Rose quartz tarot, rose quartz crystal. And as you can see here, I've actually saved this because you can create a saved list, which is amazing. Let's see if there's anything else. So if you make rose quartz bracelets benefits. Rose quartz roller, I actually do make one of those. That's pretty cool. Okay. Rose quartz meditation. I have a rose quartz meditation, rose quartz benefits. So I'm just saving all of the ones that I see that would apply to me. And then another cool thing you can do is all searches or content gaps only. Okay, so there's no content gaps here. Let's see if there's any content gaps in meditation, which I also do. Meditation app. There's a content gap there. I actually have a video on a meditation app. So that makes me think I should go back and look at that video and make sure I'm using good tags for it, because clearly this is something where a content gap means people are having trouble finding results for their searches. People are searching for it, but they're having trouble finding those results. Free meditation apps. Again, that's that same video talks about that. So I should make sure that I am using tags like this. This can also give you topic ideas. So let me see if there's, what else can I think of? Affirmations. How to write affirmations, okay? So I could think of, is there a way that I could teach people how to create their own affirmations and then create that video, because there is a content gap. If we look at all searches, positive affirmations, I am affirmations. So I just went through and I found a whole bunch of different ones that I could use as tags when I'm creating a video. The other way you can do this, so you can think, okay, what topic should I do? Should I do a video on how to write affirmations? Because there's a content gap there. When I create an affirmation video, I can go through and make sure I'm using these tags. And then also, that helps me with the title. So if I'm going to do affirmations, I don't want to just say affirmations to say in the morning. What about positive affirmations for the morning, right? Morning positive affirmations. Affirmations for positive thinking. So it gives you some more content to add into your title that's not just affirmations, that gives you more details about the specific kinds people are searching for, so that you can make those, but then also so that you can use that information in your titles and tags to match up what people are actually searching. So that's super cool. You also see here your viewer searches. So you can see what people who have been viewing my content have also been searching for, which is really interesting. And then all of my saves. So I've got 11 pages worth of ideas now. And as far as I know, this came out pretty recently. And so you may not have seen this yet, but I just wanted to give you guys this clue that if you are on your dashboard and you click over to analytics and you click over to research, you now have this great new tool at your fingertips. Let me know if you have any more questions about how to use it, but I just wanted to keep this very succinct, very helpful for you guys. Let me know any other videos on websites, running a business, having a YouTube channel, running a Facebook group, any of those things that I do that you'd like to learn how to do. If y'all want a video on it, I'll be happy to make it. All right, guys, have a great weekend.